Habang nakatayo ako dito sa harap mo, naiisip ko lahat ng mga pinagdaanan natin before we finally reach this moment. From students with nothing but hopes and prayers to becoming doctors and building our lives together. Every chapter became more meaningful because I was with you.
Our hearts are free, so tell me what's wrong with the feeling. I'm a flower, you're the bee. It's the joy that
Sa wedding na to, halos lahat ng gusto mo ang nasunod. At masaya akong makita lahat ng gusto mo na naging totoo today. Pero kung tutuusin, isa lang naman talaga ang gusto ko. Ikaw.
Today, I don't just marry the person I love most, but also marry my best friend, my home, my comfort, and the person I want beside me in every season of my life. I promise to choose you every single day, sa masasayang araw, sa mahihirap na araw, sa mga panahong madali tayong mahalin, at lalo na sa mga panahong hindi.
Mahal. Mamaya.
May isasanla na ako.
I honor and thank you with all my heart. Thank you for your unending love and for the many sacrifices, even the unspoken ones that you make first to raise me into who I am today. Thank you, Mama. I love you. Love you.
I love you.
Hiding in those eyes, smoke glimmer.
Today, napangako ko na pipiliin kita sa araw-araw, sa masayang araw, sa mahirap na araw, sa tahimik at ordinaryong araw. I promise to keep loving you, laughing with you, growing with you, and building this life with you.
Mama, thank you for loving me in the most selfless way all these years. Today, while I gain a husband, I never stopped being your daughter. Everything I am today, every dream I reach, can believe in me. Thank you for being my first home, my greatest comfort, and the woman I will always look up to. Love you, Ma.
And I got all I need. As far as I can see.
Isama kita nangarap, natakot, tumawa, umiyak, at hinarap ang buhay sa lahat ng pagbabago sa paligid natin. Isang bagay ang hindi nagbago, ikaw. Dad, with all the love in my heart, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your strength, your guidance, and the love you have always given me. Today, I honor and thank you for everything you have done for me. Thank you, Daddy. Love you.
But we'll make it out. One small
I promise to protect your heart, support your dreams, and love you the same way I prayed for all those years. And now, after 14 years, one thing remains true. Ikaw pa rin yung pahinga ko. Ikaw pa rin yung greatest love of my life. Ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin ko.
'Cause I got all I need. As far as I can see, yeah, I got all I need. As far as I can see, yeah, I got all I need.
After 14 years through everything, ikaw pa rin ang pinakamagandang desisyon ko. Mahal na mahal kita. Ngayon, bukas at habang buhay.